reward enthusiasts and credit score builders. In this channel, I cover all types of credit cards. I will give you an overview of the card, pros and cons, and my take on the card. If you have a credit card that you'd like me to cover, let me know in the comments below. Overview. Are you looking for a great business card with a low annual fee that is aimed at travelers? This Marriott Bonvoy Business Review will assist you in determining whether or not the Marriott card is appropriate for you. Free nights at Marriott hotels, bonus points for purchases at U.S. restaurants, gas stations, shippers, and wireless service providers, and complimentary Silver Elite status at Marriott hotels are all appealing to many business owners. Even though you can redeem your points for travel with over 250 airlines and rental car companies, if you aren't a frequent Marriott guest, this card won't be as valuable to you. Keep an eye on the Marriott Bonvoy Business American Express card if you're not sure if it's right for you. This card is ideal for Marriott Bonvoy members who are loyal to the program. Keep in mind that small business credit cards are available to businesses of all sizes. If you don't have an employer identification number, or EIN, you can also use your Social Security number on the application. It's also beneficial for those who have side hustles like freelancing or running an eBay store. This card could also be used in conjunction with an airline credit card or one that earns transferable rewards that can be converted to airline miles. It might even make sense to keep the American Express Marriott Bonvoy cards in your wallet because the Elite Night credits can be stacked. A maximum of 30 Elite Night credits per year are available to anyone with a Marriott Bonvoy Small Business Credit Card and a Marriott Bonvoy Consumer Credit Card. Pros. Number 1. Potentially outstanding rewards. While the Marriott Bonvoy Business American Express card offers a similar number of points per dollar spent as many other hotel cards, the overall value of each point is higher. Marriott points are worth an average of 1.05 cents each, which is more than twice what Hilton and Radisson points are worth, to name 2 examples. The 6 points you earn for every dollar spent at Marriott Bonvoy hotels are worth 6.3 cents. While the 4 points you receive for every dollar spent on dining, gas, cell phone service, and shipping are worth 4.2 cents. For a hotel rewards card, those are pretty good returns. Number 2. Complimentary Marriott Bonvoy Silver Elite status. As a cardholder, you'll receive Silver Elite status in the Marriott Bonvoy Rewards program, which normally requires a minimum of 10 qualifying nights per year. This feature allows you to start taking advantage of benefits like member room rates and 10% points bonus on stays right away. While eligibility is automatic, Silver Elite status requires additional enrollment. Number 3. Bonus night on card anniversary and for high spending. Every year on your card anniversary, the Marriott Bonvoy Business American Express card offers one award night. You can use the benefit on any room that costs up to 35,000 points per night, which is in the middle of the range for standard Marriott stays, which range from 5,000 to 100,000 points per night. If you charge $60,000 to the card in a calendar year, you'll be eligible for another award night. Number 4. The extra benefits. The additional benefits are one of the main reasons to consider this card. For starters, it grants you automatic Marriott Silver Elite status and the opportunity to earn Bonvoy Gold after spending $35,000 in a calendar year. Silver members receive a 10% bonus on paid stays as well as priority late checkout and a dedicated reservation line. Number 5. Stacking up points. Each card anniversary year, you'll also get a 15-night credit toward the next level of elite status, which you can stack with a Marriott Bonvoy consumer credit card and get a free night reward. The free night can be used at any property with a nightly rate of 35,000 points or less. After spending $60,000 in a calendar year, you can earn a second free night, at or below 35,000 points per night. Also keep in mind that this year, Marriott is making it easier to achieve elite status. Number 6. Access. Premium on-property internet access. Amex offers Amex's baggage insurance plan, extended warranty, purchase protection, and no foreign transaction fees are among other perks. Cons. Number 1. Transfers and non-Marriott redemptions. When using your points for hotel stays, as with most hotel cards, you'll get the most bang for your buck. With the Marriott Bonvoy Business American Express card, the reduced value of other options is especially pronounced. For example, to get a $100 Amazon gift card, you'll need to redeem 30,000 points, which works out to about 0.3 cents per point, roughly a quarter of their potential value when used for Marriott stays. Number 2. Annual fee. The Marriott Bonvoy Business American Express card has a $125 annual fee. However, if you take advantage of the welcome offer within the first 3 months of receiving the card, the annual fee is effectively waived for the first year. Number 3. Limited travel benefits. The Marriott Bonvoy Business American Express card has limited travel benefits. The Marriott Bonvoy Business American Express card lacks some standard coverage, such as trip cancellation, interruption or delay protection, or even cell phone protection when compared to many other American Express travel rewards cards. Number 4. No automatic gold status. While you will be given Silver Bonvoy status automatically, it is the lowest level of Marriott Bonvoy program. This card does not automatically grant you gold status, unlike other hotel-branded business cards. To become Bonvoy Gold, you must spend $35,000 or more in a calendar year. My thoughts on the card. Compared to other cards, I rate the rewards at 9 out of 10, benefits at 7 out of 10, low fees a 3 out of 10, the customer experience a 7 out of 10, and the interest rate a 5 out of 10. The Marriott Bonvoy Business American Express card is ideal for business travelers who enjoy staying at Marriott hotels and spend a significant amount of money each year. Booking 12 stays at participating hotels for $1,000 each per year at a rate of 6 points per dollar would result in 72,000 Marriott Bonvoy points. When redeemed for Marriott stays, Marriott points are worth an average of 1.05 cents each, according to Investopedia. In terms of award night value, those points earned are worth approximately $756. If you use the card for everyday business purchases as well, you could easily rack up a lot of Bonvoy points each year. After additional enrollment, points earned with the Marriott Bonvoy Business American Express card can be redeemed through Marriott Bonvoy program. You have the following redemption options: award nights at participating Marriott hotels and resorts, flights and car rentals for travel partners, cruises and travel packages, unique experiences, priority pass, TSA PreCheck, gift cards, charitable donations, and gifts to other Marriott Bonvoy members. When you use your points for Marriott hotel stays, you'll get the most bang for your buck. To get a $100 Amazon gift card, for example, you'll need 30,000 points. As a result, each point is worth about 0.33 cents. If you want to escape the airport lounge on business trips, being able to redeem points for Priority Pass is a nice perk. You can also save time at the airport by redeeming TSA PreCheck fees. If you don't have any immediate travel plans and are considering gift cards as a redemption option, Figure out how much your points are worth first. Because you can transfer your points from Marriott Bonvoy travel partners, this card gives you some flexibility in how you can use your points. There are over 40 frequent flyer programs to choose from, including the following: Aero Mexico Club Premier, Air Canada Aero Plan, Alaska Airlines Mileage Plan, American Airlines AA Advantage, British Airways Executive Club, Delta Sky Miles, Frontier Miles, Hawaiian Airline Hawaiian Miles, Korean Air Sky Pass, Qantas Frequent Flyer, Southwest Rapid Rewards, United Mileage Plus, and Virgin Atlantic Flying Club. When you transfer points to another partner airline through Rewards Plus program, you can get a 10% mileage bonus. You get 5% bonus miles for every 60,000 points you transfer. The minimum amount of points that can be transferred per day is 3,000 points, and the maximum amount is 240,000 points per day. It all comes down to how you spend this card to get the most bang for your buck. If you prefer Marriott hotels and book enough stays to take advantage of the card's full range of benefits, the Marriott Bonvoy Business American Express card could be a good fit for you. To get the most out of this card, you don't have to be a big spender, but the more you spend, the more rewarding it becomes. If you spend a lot of time in Marriott Bonvoy hotels, the Marriott Bonvoy Business American Express card could be a great way to earn rewards for your business spending. Using this card is a simple way to earn complimentary Silver Elite status, which entitles you to 11 times points per dollar spent at eligible hotels in addition to the card's 6 times points. As a result, you'll earn points at much faster rates than regular members. Make the most of the 4 times categories by putting as much of your business spending on the card. The more you spend on the card, the more rewards you'll receive. If you use your annual free night award wisely, for a room worth more than that, you won't have to worry about the card's $125 annual fee. This should be simple because the award includes a night at a Category 5 hotel, which could be worth more than $300. The Marriott Bonvoy Business American Express card has some useful benefits, but you might be better off with a different Marriott Bonvoy co-branded card, such as the Upgrade Marriott Bonvoy Brilliant card. You might prefer the card affiliated with a different hotel chain, or a general travel card that can be used at any hotel or airline. This wraps up my review of the Marriott Bonvoy Business American Express credit card. Let me know what you think of it. Thank you for sticking it out through the very end of this video. Nothing helps out my channel more than y'all watching the entire video. These videos take a long time to make and are a labor of love. If you would like to see my channel grow, please help spread the word. And until next time, remember, credit cards are fun when played strategically.